It was about 10 years ago that I went to Bengaluru to be at Aashwasan. I was passing through a critical phase in my life. I was confronted by all kinds of problems, professional, personal, financial. And my friend Anjum introduced me to Rashmi Aiyappa. I had no money to pay, but she was gracious enough to accept me for no money at all. I was there for about a week, and the change that took place in me was something almost like a miracle, in the sense that I suddenly felt that all the problems exist in mind, otherwise everything else is fine. So there was a lot of positive energy, and when I came, I kind of, resumed my work, and I was fine. Gradually, I think the effect of healing waned, but that was natural, because I think that healing is something that needs to be done regularly. The frequency, I don't know, because probably Aashwasan may be able to suggest that. But it was wonderful, and definitely, if there are any kind of mental problems and all that, healing does help. It's difficult for me to say exactly how much does it do, because when I was in the hospital for an operation, healing was done to me regularly, and whatever their observations, their reading was, it was all very correct. But since I was on medicine, and with all kind of IVs, pinned to my body, so I don't know. But yes, I do know that healing helps, and they are doing a wonderful job. My elder daughter is always talking about the effect of their healing, and I'm sure that it helps. Thank you, and thank you, Rashmi. Thank you, Aashwasan. I'm grateful to you all.